playing as Smog.
I'm playing with Thorn.
And I'm gonna be Bilbo.
The treasure! Smog! Oh, look at all this treasure! I give you this with honor. Oh, I take it with honor. Look at that dress.
Use the black arrow!
Hi, I'm Damon and I'm gonna be playing as Smog.
Okay, go.
I'm Thorn.
I'm
Okay, stop. And he turned it off. Use the black arrow. Yeah. Shoot up. Okay, that's right. Hope you like it because it's very cold out here and I could be at home right now, warm and in the shower, and these guys are freezing too.
not bad. My hands are like sausages.
And Spencer's had no jacket on all day.
I'm fine. It's good.
He's got a little bit of blubber though. Okay.
You guys should probably edit that out.
Oh, my ribs. Oh.